Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get a voided check from Chime, so let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone and sign into your account. After you're logged in, go to the Settings or Account Information section, which you can usually access by tapping the gear icon. Now scroll down and look for the option that lets you request a voided check. Once you find it, tap on it and simply follow the instructions shown on your screen. Chime will then process your request, and it may take some time depending on your account. After it's ready, Chime will provide your voided check either directly in the app or as a downloadable PDF. If you receive a PDF, you can save it or print it. When you have the check, write the word void in big bold letters across the front to make sure it can't be used for payments. You can also write void in other small areas like the date line, pay line, amount box, signature line, and amount field to fully mark it as voided. Now your Chime voided check is ready to use for things like direct deposit setup, automatic bill payments, or any other financial task that requires a voided check. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.